welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are continuing our Baking Basics series. It's been so long since I've done one of these videos, but today we are talking about how to blind bake a pie crust. Now, pie crust very often bubbles up, and so how do you prevent that if you need to bake it before you fill it? Because maybe you're making a pie that's actually cold. So let's get started.
First, let's make a pie crust. We need 1 cup or 125 grams of flour, 1/3 cup or 85 grams of butter, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 to 3 tablespoons cold water. Feel free to use your own recipe if you prefer, but this is how I make mine. Combine flour and salt and cut in butter. You can use 2 knives, a pastry cutter, or your hands until mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Knead in a bit of water at a time until mixture comes together in a dough. Then roll out the dough on a floured surface. Transfer into a pie form. Cut the dough to the edge of the pie form. It should actually hang over the edge just a bit, as the crust will contract when baked. Poke holes in the crust with a knife or fork. Place a piece of baking paper into the pie crust. Fill it with something dry, heavy, that won't be affected by baking. I'm using dried peas, but you can also use dry beans or rice. Bake with the filling at 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 225 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes, and another 2 to 3 minutes without the filling. The crust should look dry to keep it from getting soggy with the final filling. This pie crust turned out perfect for the cold pie I prepared. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more tutorials.